Hello, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today we are making tacos, but not the traditional tacos. We're stuffing these tacos in peppers? You'll see what I mean. Stay tuned. First up, start with a pan, grab the ground beef, add it to the pan. We're going to cook this meat. While the meat is cooking, let's grab a bowl of rice. To cook this rice, I'm going to use the microwave. For a bowl this size with this amount of rice, I add water and microwave for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let's do that. The rice is done. Let's check on the meat. Ground beef is also done. So we're going to drain this, put it back on the stove after draining, and add the other ingredients. Okay, we have now drained the ground beef. Let's add the rice. Let's add that taco seasoning. Medium chunky salsa. We're going to add that. Stir it all around. Okay, we're going to add some water. Going to add the lid and let it simmer until the liquid has reduced. Now, let's grab a cutting board. Grab a green pepper and a knife. Turn the pepper on its side and slice the top off. I have this handy dandy tool. I use this around fall time when I am carving pumpkins. We're just gonna scoop that core and the seeds out of the pepper. See, now the pepper is completely empty on the inside. I'm gonna grab another pepper and do the same thing again. Making 2 peppers today. Grab a pan. Lightly spray that pan with a cooking spray. The meat is done, so we are going to grab our first and stuff the inside of the pepper with the meat mixture. And there's the inside. Okay, it looks like as you can see, this is one sad pepper. It doesn't want to sit up, no matter how much I try. It keeps slouching. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that pan and grab a muffin pan. Grab that cooking spray, and just lightly spray it, and then add the pepper. Last step before we bake, grab some cheese. And let's add cheese to the top. We're going to grab some foil. And we're going to wrap the top all the way around. And then we're going to bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes or until the peppers are tender. Unwrap, place it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes until the cheese is bubbling. Okay, while that is still cooking, I have a green onion. I'm going to chop this up a little bit. I just want to garnish a little bit of green onion on top of the cheese, which is on top of the pepper. So let's just slice that up. Perfect. Now after 2 minutes, the cheese already started bubbling. So I took it out of the oven and add some green onion to the top. That onion smells so good. Now let's try it. I know you can see the steam. See a little bit of the meat, the green onion, the rice, and peppers from the salsa. That's so good. Well, there you have it. Don't you dare ask me where that pepper is. I already ate it. Couldn't help myself. Well, I hope this video was very helpful for you. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos and you haven't done it already, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below. And I'll see you next time. Alright, cooking and kisses.